Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We are glad you are here. I am going to share the learning outcomes with you. By the end of this lesson, children will be able to recognize and find out the basic shapes, circle, square, triangle from their environment. Shapes poem.
Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares.
A circle is round like the moon in the sky, or a wheel, or a clock, or the iris of your eye. A circle is forever, no beginning and no end. Can you spot the circle? Spot the circle now, my friend. Circle. Where's the circle? Good job.
Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares.
A square is a shape with 4 straight sides, every side the same and every angle right, like a box or a table or the seat of a chair. But where is it hiding? Tell me, can you spot the square? Square! Where's the square? Great!
This is a triangle here for you to see. Can you count the sides up? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Like a wedge or the face of an ancient pyramid. A triangle is in there. Tell me, can you find it, kids? Triangle. Where's the triangle? Good one. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares.
A rectangle's a shape like a woodblock or a door. Every side a straight line, count them, there are 4. A picture frame, computer screen, a book to name a few. A rectangle is in there playing hide and seek with you. Rectangle! Where's the rectangle? Right!
Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares.
Dear children, first we will read the statement. Trace, color and connect the shape. Trace, color and connect the shapes. You will color in this shape. Trace this one and join the dots and connect the shape. This is a square. How many sides and corners square has? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square has 4 sides. Now we will count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square has 4 sides and 4 corners. This is a triangle. Triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. This is a circle. Can you see how circle is different from triangle and square? Circle is round and round. It has no side and corners as square and triangle has. This is your homework page. You will color, trace and connect on this one page. You will color in these shapes, you will trace these shapes and you will connect the dot and make the shapes. You will skip this one part of this page. We will do it later. Thank you. Homework instructions. Hold your pencil closer to the tip. Start with starting point. By using this method, you will complete your home task. Your home task is page number 107 on workbook. Uploading instructions. Respected parents, take a picture of your child work and upload in Google Classroom. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.